Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to see your IP address of your Xiaomi phone. So this is for Android tutorial, especially for user that use MIUI from Xiaomi. So I will open my phone, and then you can go to your settings, and then here on the top you can see about phone. You can see this is my MIUI version, the global 12.5.3. You just click about phone. Now you can see this all spec options. You can tap on all specs, and then you can scroll down until you can find this status. Okay, the status will be showing the battery status and then battery level, and then you can scroll down here your IP address. Here my IP address. So you can do it for your purpose, and then also you can see another option on another information on the status phone. Okay, that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's it, please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you, bye bye.